I also have to tell people to subscribe to my page in the videos.
Yes.
Because apparently telling you just
Like
in
and
person,
subscribe.
like hit the subscribe button, smash it.
No, you gotta be like, you
Smash.
gotta point
Yeah,
at the video.
Swipe up. All right. So today I'm hoping it's gonna be really easy. All we're gonna do is we're gonna try and prove some properties that are true in what we've done in algebra before. So like associative property, distributive property, commutative property. We're gonna try and see if those work with matrices. All right, that's all we're doing today. Should be pretty quick and painless. First one we're gonna do, commutative property of addition. So commutative property of addition says A plus B should equal B plus A. Right? 2 plus 3 should equal 3 plus 2. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to see, does that work for matrices? So our first part here, A plus B. So if I'm going to add these two matrices, 16 plus negative 5 is 11. 35 plus 4 is 39. Negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. 18 plus 9 is 27. Okay, I did A plus B. Now I'm going to check B plus A. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Negative 5 plus 16 is 11. 4 plus 35 is 39. 6 plus negative 10 is negative 4. And 9 plus 18 is 27. So, does it hold true for matrices?
Yes.
Yeah, so this one does hold true. Now, all of them that we're going to do today will not be true, but most of them will be. So, commutative property of addition does hold true for matrices. Alright, on to the next. Commutative property of multiplication, same thing. A times B should equal B times A. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. It should work both ways. Do you think it'll work for matrices?
No.
How many of you think it will work for matrices? How many of you think it won't work for matrices? How many of you didn't answer? It should be like half the class. Yeah, there we go. Try it. Give it a shot. I want you to try it on your paper. I want you to multiply A times B and multiply B times A, and let's see what we get.
It's 30. Cole. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Is that how we multiply matrices?
Good point.
Guys, yeah, we don't just do negative 7 times 5, 3 times 4, right? We take rows times columns.
That's what I did.
If we're doing it by hand. We're multiplying matrices. Come on, either use your calculator, which is perfectly fine, or if you're going to do it by hand, we take a row times a column. Right, we do the dot product.
I still would have to do 7 times 5.
Oh. I'm gonna bang my head on the
Okay, true,
table.
but,
Please don't.
So technically, I
but that
still
wouldn't be
wasn't
the, you
wrong.
wouldn't put it there, though. You'd have to do it.
I
but you'd have to
understand.
add
I just like having a level.
3 times bigger.
Alright,
You just rate it.
did anyone do A times B to start with?
She did.
What did you get?
Negative 59, negative 4, 116,
116,
and negative 8.
negative 8.
You
Okay.
think 35?
Alright, I'll give you maybe another minute to do B times A in case you haven't yet. You do them already?
Yeah.
Do it right if
Why do you say that?
the answer's not the same.
Ooh.
For A times B?
Oh no.
How'd you do it?
Oh boy.
Make the same.
Did you do what we just said not to do?
I did the wrong.
Oh, okay. Alright, did anyone do B times A? What'd you get back there?
13, 100, negative 113, 152,
What?
negative
What'd you get for this bottom left?
8.
The top two.
Bottom left, I got 152.
I got negative.
I got
negative 13.
You had negative 13?
Yeah.
No, negative 13 instead of negative
Instead of
113.
113.
So 113 is positive and that's negative? Is that what you're saying?
No, like
Oh.
instead of 113, negative 113, it's negative.
Negative 13. Oh, so I might have just heard incorrectly.
I heard.
So like that. You guys got that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sure.
Are they the same?
No.
No. So does commutative property of multiplication work?
I said no.
No. Why not? Let's think about it for a second. Why won't this work?
Because you're multiplying different
It's
numbers.
flipping the rows and columns.
Because we're flipping rows and columns, right? If I do A times B, I take a row in A times a column in B. But if I do B times A, I'm doing a row from B times a column in A. I'm switching my matrices around, which means I'm flipping my rows and my columns. So I'm obviously going to get different answers. Very good. So this is no. Does not work. All right, associative property of addition. So A plus B plus C should equal A plus, and then B plus C. Here's what we're going to do. So Bill, your half. You guys can do the first part. This half over here of the room, I want you to do the second part. We'll compare answers.
Can you say it?
Alright? Your side of the room is going to do the first part.
Alright, cool.
The other side of the room is going to do the second part. Okay? So you guys try the second part. So add the matrices, right?
Oh,
Take
Okay.
B plus C, add them first, then add A if you're the second
So
part.
I mean, just add them all together.
Alright, we're going to see when we compare if they're the same.
excuse me.
You see that on you?
Uh-oh.
Which side of the room was it?
That's not good.
You were the second part, Nicole.
No.
What is
Wow.
What? What'd you do?
I messed up.
Hey, which one are you doing? This one?
Yeah.
We'll just do A plus B. 1 plus
5,
is
6,
3 plus 3.
6.
Great math
Four plus
brain
five,
is
nine.
not in you.
5 plus 3 plus 7. So on and so forth, and then take this and add it with that.
Oh.
I guess we're gonna have to.
So that's a little quicker than actually entering in your calculator, I think.
Ooh, ooh.
Alright, if we put in our calculator, or if you did it by hand, right? We need to add the first two matrices, A plus B first, add them, see what you get, and then add C. If you did the first part here. So someone from this side of the room. Can someone read off what they got for me, please?
So the answer?
Yes, sir.
8, 7, 10, negative 5, 8, 14, 8, 11, 18.
18. Okay? So that's the first part, right? If you add matrix A plus matrix B, and then you add matrix C to those, you should get this answer matrix down here. Who on this side of the room did the second part? That wants to read off their answer. Or tell me what they got for an answer. No one?
I did the
Cold.
wrong one.
Where's some?
What?
I got the same.
The same thing! So, whoa! 8, 7, 10, negative 5, 8, 14, 8, 11, 18. Yeah, guys, these addition ones, we're just adding the same things together, right? We're not changing any numbers around, so it should stay the same. It should work. In this case, it holds true. All right, any questions on those first three?
No.
Two more. Associative property multiplication. So same sort of thing we just did in the last problem, but now we're multiplying them. A times B times C, A times B times C.
Doesn't work.
All right, how many people think it will work?
No.
How many people don't think it'll work?
I didn't vote.
What are you voting for?
The third one.
Yeah, the one that, who didn't
Where
vote.
people don't vote?
Yeah.
Who didn't vote?
No. The other one.
There's no third option, Cole.
Third.
Alright, so same thing. I want this side of the room. I want you to try the first one. Multiply matrix A and B together first, and then multiply by matrix C. This side of the room, I want you to multiply matrices B and C together, then multiply by A. Hey guys, be really careful. They need to go in this order that's up here. So if you do B times C, and then you just hit times and you put A in, it's not going to work. It needs to be A times then whatever you got for B times C. Alright, make sure you put them in the correct order. Otherwise, you can get an error in your calculator. You're gonna freak out.
Wait, can you?
I think I already will.
Can you just do it all in one though? Still.
Wow.
So you gotta do it.
Do you put in parentheses in?
Okay, do two seconds.
There's parentheses
You
now.
can't put parentheses in now.
I tell you what, just do A times B, hit enter, and then multiply by C. You got the easy one over here. They gotta do different.
I think you just gave me the. You know I'm struggling.
I want to challenge you, Cole.
Come on.
I want you to better yourself.
That's not possible.
That's possible.
I think I achieved the highest point. Three by four. Okay, don't go.
Don't go yet? Alright, I'll wait.
Thank you.
I'm gonna wait just for you so you can tell me what you got.
I bet I'll get it wrong. So
Okay,
we should-
maybe I won't wait for you then. I'm gonna give people like 20 to 30 more seconds, so.
Why not a minute?
Subscribe, swipe up.
Hey, this is a chance. It's like a break in the middle of your video.
I think you should do like a giveaway or something.
Yeah.
No?
Giveaway?
Yeah,
Like for
a
my
mathlete
The
t-shirt.
100th subscriber.
Yeah.
A mathlete t-shirt.
Oh, thank
Oh,
God. It
do an
wasn't
extra
in
math
there.
club t-shirt.
Oh, it
That's
was.
But then I'm gonna-
Oh, math club shirts, that'll be merch.
No, you gotta make
Gotta make it
100
go
for all
home
100
first.
subscribers. Because if the
Website.
100th one,
What do you think I am, made of money?
then
I'm
people
not
are
like
gonna.
running ads on my
Then people are gonna wait for it to be the 100th.
sponsors.
Yeah.
Ticonderoga, the official pencil of Mr. E's YouTube videos.
There, I did it.
Alright, who got the first part?
Choose him.
Certica, what'd you get?
133, negative 94, 86, 13, and then 314. Oh, and the next one. Down, enter. 314, negative 191, 277, 56.
Did everybody on his side agree with him?
Closing bracket.
Wait, I
Yes.
got the next one.
What'd you get, Cole?
The same as his.
The same as his.
What?
So same. I'm just gonna write same. I'm not gonna write it out.
Can we write Sam?
You can write same. Alright, so hey, it does work. So all you guys were wrong and I was right, because I was the one that raised my hand for that.
I didn't
Because
raise my
you knew the
hand at
answer.
all.
I did know the answer, because I've tried it before.
I mean,
But
that's
hey,
me.
let's think about it. Why does this multiplication one work, but the other one didn't?
Oh boy,
Why does this one work and the other one didn't?
that's a good question.
Because it does.
Do a good answer.
What do you think?
I already said my answer.
So why? Hey, let's talk again about why did the first one not work? Why did the commutative property of multiplication not work? Because we switched rows and columns, or we switched the order of our matrices.
What he said.
So why does this one work?
But like when you're switching the matrices, you're still multiplying that by the exact, like, even though, I don't know how to
You're talking about in this problem or the first
Yeah,
one?
no, in this one.
In this one, are we switching the matrices around at all?
No.
No, we're just switching the order that we multiplied them in. Which doesn't change anything. We still multiply by the same rows and the same columns. It just, we're switching the order. We're not actually switching where the matrices are in that order. Alright, does that make sense? So that's why this one works, the first one didn't. Alright, last one.
Oh no.
Distributive property. We all know what distributive property is. We use it all the time. Right? So what I want to know is, do you think matrix A times B plus C is going to be the same as A times B plus A times C? Well, let's find out. You guys do the first one.
Thank you.
Wait, what?
I
No
already
way.
started.
You guys do the second one.
I already
Anarchy, let's go.
I'm not
First one, second one.
No.
Hey, well, guess what? If you started the other one, now you have both of them done already.
I'm not doing the other one. That's too much work.
No.
Cole, you got the easy one.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not good.
think you did well.
I don't really want
Yeah, I think we need like 10 minutes.
too much work, you know.
You need what?
Like 10 minutes.
You didn't have no time to do your exit slip then.
Guess I don't leave.
Come on.
Yeah, we have an exit slip.
Why can't you just say our homework is an exit?
Yeah, because the homework's like 10 multiple choice problems and that's it.
They're multiple choice.
Wait,
Multiple guess even, yeah.
Wait, really? I'll just guess on all of them. Alright.
Because guess what? A guess is better than not answering.
I guess so.
Ah.
Your odds if you don't answer are 0%. If you guess, you at least have like a 20% chance of getting it correct.
Wait, what if the
Which actually isn't true. Theoretically you do, but
But what if like
if you
the
get into
answer's
the
zero?
logistics of it,
Yeah. The logistics really don't.
they don't agree.
Don't-
Just
don't
like you
line
know
up.
that flipping a coin's not actually a 50-50 chance.
Yeah, I know, because the
Because one
velocity.
side's one side's weighted a little different.
Oh yeah.
Wait, really?
Just throw
Yeah,
it
the
out
head
there.
side. Yeah.
What? Really?
That's how you.
The NFL coin flip
How
is
do they?
rigged.
How can you judge? How did they determine that?
Determine what?
They weigh it.
I know, but how would you just
Before
do one
before
side?
they press it together.
Wait, they press it together?
No,
you,
it's
ever,
just,
you ever look at a quarter before?
Not really.
Look at it once.
do you have a
Alright, are we ready to go?
No, hold
Oh.
on. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
I'll do the first one.
Shh. Go put it up
No, I
there.
thought you did the second one.
Sweet.
Boom.
No, you got the second one.
I didn't do the second one. I did the first one.
No, I want to do the first one.
Cool.
Okay,
Good job, Jared.
who wants to put the first one up there?
Me.
Alright, Jared.
He's
Palmer, what's going on back there, man?
Nothing.
So funny, man. I like to laugh. I know, his face is getting really red.
He's getting scared.
Aw.
I hope I got it right. That was too much work to get it wrong.
What a shame that would be. Alright,
Oh my god.
Wait,
Thank
how
you.
did I get it right? Never mind.
what about, okay, does everyone agree with that, first of all?
Yep.
No.
Oh, shut up. You guys serious?
No.
No? We don't
Bruh.
agree?
Wait, what?
What should it be? What should be changed here?
No.
The whole thing, right?
Yeah.
What?
Jared, you
No.
got every single one.
Oh.
You should have just stuck with number
Jared,
two.
no, did you
What?
multiply B and C?
I did that
Oh, I
one.
didn't use parentheses.
Wait,
Told you
what?
we have to. Alright, what do we get for this first one? Someone just tell me.
Wait, did I actually get it wrong?
Hold on, she's got it.
48, 94, negative 32.
I still got it wrong.
2,
Negative what?
Negative 32.
Okay.
2, 24.
Wait, you're missing.
What?
Haha, not the only one who messed up.
It's a 2 by 4?
By 3.
I thought it was
2 by 3. Okay, so down here is.
Negative 32,
Okay.
2, and then 24.
Alright. Whew. Oh, that was difficult.
Can we delete that video? Can we delete this video?
I had to.
No.
You got it wrong.
I actually
Alright.
got it wrong.
Hey, how about the second one?
I got the same thing.
Same thing. It does work.
What did I do?
It does work. Distributive property does work
I put parentheses.
for matrices. Alright. We're done for today. Except.